Working on home videos with Adobe Premiere Elements and saved a project as PJ. This is a project file from Adobe Premiere Elements, Consumer Video Editor. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with these projects. I call this the last resort solution for those PJ files that seem completely unopenable. We'll explore that powerful alternative if the standard procedures fail. A user with a PJ file is working on a video project in Adobe Premiere Elements. They need to open this file to access their timeline, media clips, edits, effects, and transitions. This file doesn't contain the actual video, but rather references to the source media and the editing decisions made. The PJ file is a proprietary XML-based project file that acts as a database. It stores paths to source audio and video assets, along with metadata for edits, effects, transitions, and timeline arrangements. This non-destructive design allows for flexible editing without altering the original media files. The specific reading module for PJ files is provided by Adobe Premiere Elements from Adobe Systems Incorporated. The file's embedded objects and layers require specialized software for full access. Windows shows only basic file facts, so deeper investigation requires the correct program. We are isolating the application issue. Right-click your PJ file and select Open With. Start with Adobe Premiere Elements if it's visible. If not, choose another program and check its ability to read the PJ format. If the PJ file is still refusing to open, it's expected. We're skipping the panic and focusing on the facts. Let's quickly review the common technical reasons your system is reporting this specific PJ error. First, opening in Premiere Elements. Launch Adobe Premiere Elements and use File then Open Project to load the PJ file. The application loads the timeline clips, effects, and settings, restoring the project to its saved state for continued editing or export. Next, editing the video. Use the Premiere Elements interface to trim clips, add transitions, apply effects, and mix audio in the timeline. Save changes regularly using File then Save, which preserves the project as a PJ file, maintaining all editing decisions for future sessions. Finally, exporting the final video. Use File then Export and Share to render the final video to MP4, MOV, or other supported formats. Choose preset quality settings or customize encoding parameters to balance file size and quality for the intended distribution platform, such as YouTube, Vimeo, or DVD. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments. Hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.